Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another crypto video. Today I'm going to show you the best way to earn free Bitcoin in 2020 and beyond. Okay, so here we are on an app called Coinbase Earn. You can do this on your desktop or mobile device. So go ahead, sign up with the link in the description. That's going to bring you to Coinbase Earn. Once you're here, you'll be able to earn over $100 in free cryptocurrency. And then you can instantly convert that cryptocurrency to Bitcoin if you decide that's what you want to do. So you want to make sure you're on the Earn Rewards tab. Mine says $80 because I've already earned hundreds of dollars from this thing. You can see I've earned $3 comp, $3 comp, $3 comp, $1 band, $1 band, 2 maker, 2 maker, 2 maker. It just keeps going on and on. What you do, you just come here. It's going to give you these super short video quizzes. Earn interest with comp. It's going to give you the video. These are what, it's like a 3-minute video, but honestly, you can just read the description here. It's going to give you a multiple choice question right here. You just click the answer and it's going to give you the $3. Like I said, you don't really even need to watch the videos. It'll give the answer right here in the description. It takes like 30 seconds per question. So you just go through, do all of these little lessons. There's tons of them on here. And it's going to give you a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. Then you can come to your portfolio and check those all out if you want. But once you want to convert them to Bitcoin, just click on trade. You want to go to the convert tab. So it can be on like Uniswap to Bitcoin. Click convert all. It's going to give you the preview here. There's no fees. And then just click convert now. And there you go. Converted my Uniswap to Bitcoin. I only had a 16 cents there or something to convert, but that's how you would do it. Then you can just go to your portfolio and it's going to show your Bitcoin balance. And you're okay to store your Bitcoin in this wallet, or you could send it to a different wallet if that's what you want to do. But there you have it, Coinbase Earn, best way to earn free Bitcoin in 2020 and beyond. Definitely check this out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.